Hello traders, Mike Mohebi here. Today is 6th of July in Melbourne. Still 5th of July. As you can see, in New York is 2:30 p.m. and in London is 6:30 p.m. yesterday, which is 5th of July. Alright, this is Euro USD. As you can see, this is the fourth day that Euro USD is moving down, and it's getting closer and closer to our stop. Some of you may think that why didn't I exit my trade on top here? As I said, I could, and I said that this is probably one of the best targets that we can reach. We had like I put the stop here about 70 pips, the stop loss, and the target was about 250 pips, which is about more than 3 to 1 reward to risk ratio. And it was very good, and I told you, if you have this trade on, you can exit here, or you can at least exit half of your trade here. But my strategy is trend following, so I follow this trend all the way up. If I entered here, and I add in every position that you can see market has a jump, I would add another position to the initial one. So I'm waiting. Maybe I gotta stop out here, but if I don't, and hopefully not, I'm gonna add another position to this, so I can ride the market up with two positions. But still, well, we don't know. But I think reward to risk 3 to 1 is a very good reward to risk. Okay, just maybe in the future, in my next trades, I have that in mind. But if you remember, when we analyzed this chart, I drew this Fibonacci from the top here to the bottom there, right? Let me zoom in. This target here is 161.8 target. And yeah, you could exit here, but my target was on close to 261. And I said, I think the market's gonna go there. It comes back to 100 and it goes up again. So now my stop is on 100. Maybe I get stopped out, but that's what I want to do. If nothing crazy happens in the market, I hope that the market goes back up. But yeah, you could probably in the next trades that I will take, I will exit the market in the 161.8. That's the best option. But currently, now I'm in position and I'm gonna hold it. As you can see in the 4-hour chart, there is a very good move down. Even you could get a position here as a sell, which I don't recommend, but yeah, you could, and get a very small profit here as well. I normally trade with the trend, so I don't enter these kind of positions, but you could very small profit here. In a weekly, as I said, this week's gonna be a downturn. It's gonna be a bearish candle, so it's going down. I don't know how long it's gonna take. As you can see, the market has been moving up and it's top of this range for the past like year and a half. So yeah, we don't know what's gonna happen. It seems that this month gonna be a bearish month, but yeah, maybe not. Maybe it comes down and makes a very good pin bar candle. Anyway, this is how it is now. And the one thing happened today, oil had a very strong move downward, and I got it stopped out. As you can see, market was moving up very good, but suddenly it just like crashed. As you can see, during past like 20 hours, market moved back and I got it stopped out. I only have a position in Euro USD now. If you see my account history, this is the oil, and I got $99. Well, 99. Yeah. So if I drag this, put it on the chart, you can see my position. I entered here at this arrow here, and my stop, I moved my stop step by step up to there, and the market moved back and I got stopped out at this level. Again, I entered here and my stop was there 186. Over there was like about close to 300. It's not even 2 to 1 reward to risk. And I wanted to follow this trend, so that's why I just continued following this. But that's what happened. So why this happened? As you can see, there is a stop here, resistance line, and this resistance line is very active there, here, close, and there. So it's a very strong resistance line. Maybe this between the bottom support line and top resistance line was the best target that I could exit, but I didn't. Let's draw a Fibonacci, and I drew this Fibonacci, as I said, the last top and last bottom. This is 261, and that was a very good move. And I drew it this way. It's gonna came back to like 60s or 50. Probably it's gonna start to move up again. I don't know. My initial stop target was here at 161, so I gotta stop that anyway. So I'll wait until the market makes another move. I don't know upward or downward, but as you can see, all of these movement before have a strong sudden move back, as you can see here, and market dropped all the way. Maybe this is another drop and you can enter the market and ride this wave. I don't know. I prefer to wait a little bit more on this. This is silver, and as you can see, market continues to move down. It broke this level here, and this is a bearish candle. As you can see, the high wick is very longer than the low wick, so it shows that the sellers are in control and pushing the price down. But it's close to this, all these type of resistance lines and this trend line. So probably, I don't know if this triangle breaks, how far it's gonna go down, or it's gonna bounce back. We wait and see what happens. So it's better to draw another support line there, roughly, yeah, there. So this is a zone that the market's gonna fluctuate, or if it's strong, it's gonna go lower than that. The next one is probably there, because we have a resistance there and there and there. Let's draw another one. Yep, and roughly one there, which is here, and this area over there, and the last one over there. So these are the levels, the support levels that on any of them market can turn back. Ooh, it's very crazy in the weekly chart, but yeah, on daily it looks very good. So we wait and see what's gonna happen in the silver. In gold, we had an up move in one day, and again the market's going back downward, and this big candle showed that the price is gonna drop. It broke this trend line, and when it breaks, it's gonna move at least to the width of the channel, which is about vertical line up to the, let's draw this channel. It's roughly there. Okay, well, there. The width of this channel is about 700 pips. Okay, if it's gonna go down, it's gonna go close to this support line here. It's gonna hold, I don't know, but yeah, it looks like It's a very strong move downward. So I draw a Fibonacci level. This is the last top and bottom. The first target is 261. Well, the first target at 161.8, which it reached very fast. The second target is 261.8, which is very close. And the third target, as you can see, is 423, which is close to that support line that we drew. So probably if the market, if you have a position in gold, you can exit half of your position in 261 or close to there, and keep the other half to go to 423. Or if you act like me, if the market gets breaks this trend line, this support line, and gets close to this 261, I add another position. I don't make it half, I just add another one. And that's how we kind of reverse martingale. We add to the positions as we go forward. They call it avalanche trading. So we add and add more positions to get more profits. But if market moves back here, you're gonna be stopped out. So yeah, there's a caveat to that as well. So be careful. You can get a very safe position here and exit the market, and you can add in another position and move the market downward. I keep this Fibonacci here for the next day, see what happens. Thanks so much for watching. This was what's going on in the market. The next video, I'm gonna analyze the other currency pairs, and let's see if we can find any more signals down there. Thanks so much. Please subscribe to my channel, like my videos if you like it, give me a thumbs up so I get the motivation to continue uploading these videos. Have a nice time.